The myth, charging a Tesla is a hassle. The reality, Tesla has over 50,000 supercharger stations worldwide. The newest V4 superchargers can add 100 miles of range in just 15 to 20 minutes. Plus, 80% of owners charge at home overnight. The Tesla app helps schedule and monitor charging, making it easy and convenient. Myth 2. Tesla batteries degrade rapidly. The myth claims that Tesla batteries quickly lose capacity. The reality is that Tesla's advanced battery management system minimizes degradation. Real-world data shows an average degradation of only 5 to 10% after 100,000 miles. To visualize this, let's see how battery capacity changes over miles driven, starting at 100% capacity with 0 miles. As the vehicle accumulates miles, the capacity gradually decreases. After 100,000 miles, typical degradation is 5 to 10%, leaving 90 to 95% capacity. This graph shows real-world battery retention data for Tesla Model S and X vehicles. The green line demonstrates the gradual decline over distance traveled. Tesla's warranty covers battery capacity retention, ensuring long-term reliability. The warranty provides 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles, with a minimum 70% capacity retention guaranteed. This warranty coverage, combined with advanced battery technology, ensures Tesla owners can rely on their vehicles for years to come. Myth 3. Teslas are expensive to maintain. The myth, maintaining a Tesla is costly. The reality, EVs have fewer moving parts than gasoline cars, eliminating oil changes and other traditional maintenance. Tesla vehicles primarily require tire rotations, brake checks, and software updates. On average, maintenance costs are 50 to 70% lower than comparable gasoline vehicles. According to AAA data, Tesla maintenance averages $500 per year, compared to $1,200 for similar ICE sedans, saving owners thousands over time. Myth 4 claims you'll constantly worry about running out of battery, known as range anxiety. The reality is that modern Teslas have EPA-estimated ranges of 300 to 400 miles, with real-world figures typically 80 to 90% of that rating. Most daily trips in the United States are under 50 miles, according to federal highway data, which is easily covered by even the most conservative Tesla range estimates. Tesla's navigation system further minimizes anxiety by optimizing routes and suggesting charging stops at superchargers. Real-world examples show Tesla ownership is practical and reliable. A Model Y owner completed a 2,000-mile cross-country trip using superchargers, with 20-minute stops and significant savings over gas. Battery longevity is impressive too. A 2019 Model 3 with 150,000 miles maintained 85% capacity, exceeding expectations, and covered by warranty. Maintenance is simplified through software. A Model S owner prevented costly repairs with a free over-the-air update, highlighting Tesla's digital approach. Experts from industry and consumer groups agree that Tesla ownership is becoming increasingly straightforward. Surveys conducted in 2025 show high owner satisfaction, particularly with charging convenience and battery longevity. Key statistics reveal that 97% of Tesla batteries exceed warranty thresholds, with degradation rates of just 5 to 10% after 100,000 miles. Let's visualize this battery capacity over time. Maintenance costs for Teslas are significantly lower than for gasoline cars, with owners saving an average of 50 to 70% on upkeep. Surveys indicate that 85% of Tesla owners report high satisfaction with charging infrastructure and battery performance. The data speaks for itself, demonstrating that Tesla ownership is reliable, cost-effective, and increasingly user-friendly. Looking ahead to the future of Tesla ownership, several groundbreaking advancements are on the horizon that will make electric vehicles even more convenient and reliable. One major trend is bidirectional charging, where Tesla vehicles can not only charge from the grid, but also supply power back to homes or other devices. This vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid capability, already supported in models like the Cybertruck, allows owners to use their car's battery as a backup power source during outages or to sell energy back to the grid. Solid-state batteries represent the next revolution in energy storage. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of liquid, offering much higher energy density and virtually no degradation over time. Tesla aims to achieve 500,000-mile lifespans with these batteries, dramatically reducing maintenance costs and range anxiety. Range capabilities are rapidly improving, with Tesla projecting vehicles capable of 500 miles or more by 2028. This 10 to 20% annual increase in range comes from better batteries, more efficient motors, and aerodynamic designs. Battery degradation will become virtually non-existent with solid-state technology. Current Tesla batteries show about 5 to 10% degradation after 100,000 miles, but future models could maintain 95% capacity after 500,000 miles. Other exciting trends include ultra-fast charging stations that could fully charge a vehicle in 5 to 10 minutes, AI-powered predictive maintenance that anticipates issues before they occur, and advanced battery recycling programs that recover up to 90% of materials for reuse. Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainability ensures that misconceptions about EV ownership will continue to fade as technology advances.